Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can change the Shopify store theme. At first click on online store and then click on themes. After that you have to scroll down until you find add theme and then click on visit theme store. After that click on explore themes and then you're going to find a lot of themes that are going to be free and that they have money, but for this one we're going to click on a free one and then click on try theme. It's gonna say choose an account, so you're gonna choose the Shopify account that you're connected to. After that it's gonna say add right to your online theme store and you're gonna click on add theme. After it's done, it's gonna auto refresh and it's going to be added to your Shopify theme store. For that you have to scroll a bit down until you find ride and then click on publish and then confirm publish one more time. Now, if you click on view your store, it's going to go to your online store that you have, and there you see the ride theme has been successfully added to your Shopify. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.